Hi everyone again. Lovely to see you again. I'm Nilüfer. This is my second time in community call, and I'm excited to show you the case I created to test code interpreter. Let's first start introducing by myself. I'm based in Turkey and I'm Microsoft MVP in Copilot Studio field, and also I'm an expert in Copilot Studio and Power Platform. I work as an AI engineer in a consultancy firm, and I lead a user group in Turkey, which is Microsoft Power Platform Turkey user group. In case you want to connect with me, you can scan the QR code and I can drop at the end of the session too. Let's just switch to the overview. We will together see how I built these sales insight agents with Copilot Studio. There are two ways I tried, and we will see how I configured this code interpreter functionality, and later on we will see how we can explore data analysis capabilities, what kind of output we are getting, and lastly we will see the demo part. Let's just start with the sales insight agents, what I created, and what's the purpose of this agent. To understand the code interpreter, I created this agent, and in this agent I am uploading Excel file or CSV file, and it gets this file contents, and by using code interpreter it calculates total sales, average sales, top selling product, and also I'm validating the input I give to the agents by just checking the columns like product and amount column. These columns are the compulsory columns that has to be kept in the Excel file, and also I'm generating the simple bar chart at the end. Actually, this instructions part in the agent is all about the code interpreter, which I use built in the settings in the Copilot Studio, but there are another way. So let's just move on and I will show you what kind of ways we can use code interpreter. First of all, as I said, there are two ways. First way is built in Copilot Studio, and by going to the settings, I will show to you in a minute how we can enable this. By just clicking settings, we are opening this code interpreter functionality, and if we are creating autonomous agent here, it directly help us and understand we will execute some Excel file or CSV file, and it turns output to us. And another way is using AI Builder for that purpose. And in the Copilot Studio, we are going to tools and creating prompt for that purpose. And with that prompt, we are getting the output. So let's just first see the first part, which is enabling how we can enable this functionality within the Power Platform Admin Center, and I will show the built-in options. For using this code interpreter functionality, first of all, we are going to the Power Platform Admin Center and we are clicking the Copilot icon there, and then we are going to settings, and then we are clicking code generation and execution, and in the environment you are working for this agent, you are enabling this. For my case, I'm using my personal environment, and I say edit settings here. Then later on, I already switched this on, but if it's not on already, you should do this at first. But you may not access this part if you are not admin. Maybe you may contact with your admin in case you are not seeing these features by yourself. And later on, it enables you to see the code interpreter functionality in your agent, and also you can use this inside the AI Builder. First of all, I will show you also the settings parts in code interpreter. For this part, you are going to the generative AI, and then you are switching this code interpreter on, and let's save this and first try this one. To test these agents, also I created a dummy data with the product, region, month, amount, and price. And as I said, product and amount column are compulsory. It has to be included in the Excel file. So I'm validating this Excel file too. So let's just go to our agent and test this together. This is a very simple agent. Actually, I just put something on the conversational boosting to test the code interpreter. For now, I am just using the code interpreter, which is built in. We open, we just switch off, switch on here. So let's just continue. I will just upload my data here, sales with price, and I'm saying, can you analyze this? As you see in the left side, it shows us what actions it takes. First of all, it just analyzes and it takes a bit time, but later on it shows us the code it generated for executing our Excel file. Let's wait a bit and see the output together. Yes, it's coming, I think. Okay, great. As I said in the instructions, it give me the total sales, average sales, top selling product, and then it shows me the one bar chart as I mentioned in the instructions. Also, you can see the Python code here and understand how it is calculated. That's really nice. For now, this was the first method we tried, but let's just try with the AI Builder too. So I will switch off this to show you the other way. Okay, let's go to our topic. In conversational boosting, I'm just triggering this when user wants sales insight, and then later on it asks questions about uploading the file. Then for the prompt part, this is the most important part and the main part. We are using code interpreter. It's a bit small. Let's just switch here and show here. Here also there's some nuance to use the code interpreter. We are going to settings and also we are enabling code interpreter. Then we write the instructions similar to the agent site we write there. But here also I created something like you are given this file and your task is to do this, and return should include a short summary and the encoded image, and also the if column is not validated, it should ask us again. And for now I'm using the GPT-5 chat, but as you may know already, there are other anthropic models. If you think other works better for your case, you can also use this. This is an optional. So let's just continue here. I am giving the file that I got from the user, which is coming from as an output of the question. Then later on, I'm turning the answer of this inside summary as a text, and I'm ending the current topic. Let's test this together again. But first of all, I will say to trigger this topic, I will say, can you give me sales insights? It asks me for my file. I am selecting sales with price. And that's it. It's generated the total sales and also average sales and top selling product and the bar chart. This is a similar output we got from the previous method. So that's the two type of code interpreter usage inside Copilot Studio. Let's just continue with the slides. Actually, we made the demo, and lastly I will talk about what we got and what we can get by using the code interpreter. We can make file processing, and this file type could be Excel, Word, PowerPoint, or PDF files. And also we can use this for data operations and for advanced analytics like mathematical calculations, statistical analysis, and data visualizations. We can use this, and it has smart formatting, and you can use this format by just copying directly. And this supports also file outputs. If you have specific file and you have this template and you want to just fill this template according to your output, then this is also possible to do. And Excel files accepted as both input and output, and this is really nice for using a code interpreter. Actually, that's it from my side. If you have any question in the chat, I will answer in a minute. Thank you.